Hey guys, welcome back to DNA Vlogs. This is Dipen from Pune. Now you've already seen, I guess, somewhere in the past week that I've put the front brake overall video of this TNT 25. Right now I'm going to quickly work on the rear brakes. I'm going to show you how in detail you can clean the brake pads and the brake caliper in general. And if at all you need to replace, you can use the same procedure. Replace the old pads with the new pads. इसका रेयर कैलिपर यहाँ पे आता है, आपको ये दोनों बोल्ट्स खोलने पड़ेंगे एंड उसके बाद ये कैलिपर फ्री हो जाएगा, यहाँ तक आ जाएगा. एंड वंस इट इज़ फ्री, वंस इट इज़ कम आउट आफ्टर रिमूविंग दिस टू बोल्ट्स, यू कैन रिमूव द पिन विच इज़ इनसाइड ओवर हियर. I guess if I remember roughly, this is very close to 600i caliper, and 600i का भी video there is already there on my channel. But oh, this is nice loose. It's somewhere loose down there. But anyways, we'll work on the caliper for now. पीछे के brakes pads almost ख़त्म हो गए हैं, so we might change this in the near future. फिलहाल तो चल जाएंगे 400-500 किलोमीटर. इसको अभी निकालने के लिए you have to remove this pin from center और इसका lock. Oh, this doesn't even have a lock over here, तो एक lock भी खरीदना पड़ेगा. Maybe a brand new pin we need to buy. This is the condition of the rear brake pin. Okay, it's completely rusted and both the quarter pins have fallen off. इधर भी एक quarter pin आती है, इधर भी एक quarter pin आती है, दोनों भी गिर गए हैं. इसलिए मुझे थोड़ा WD मार के थोड़ा टैप करके निकालना पड़ा. So whenever you use WD-40, make sure it is cleaned out completely, very well. बहुत अच्छे से साफ़ कर देते हो. Otherwise अगर WD-40 ब्रेक पैड्स पे रह गया या फिर डिस्क पे रह गया तो योर ब्रेक्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. पूरा निकाल के फिर से क्लीन करना पड़ेगा. एंड नेवर यूज़ डीजल ऑन दिस बिकॉज डीजल इज़ अ बिट ग्रीसी एंड साफ़ करने में बहुत तकलीफ होती है. सो ऑलवेज यूज़ गुड क्वालिटी ब्रेक क्लीनर्स. दैट विल बी वेरी गुड फॉर योर ब्रेक पैड्स एंड डिस्क पैड्स. इस अभी कैलिपर को सुपरफिशियली मैं क्लीन कर लेता हूँ. काफ़ी सारा ब्रेक क्लीनर मार के सब डस्ट निकाल लेंगे. बाद में जब बाइक वॉशिंग होगी तब उनको बोल देंगे भैया को ज़रा यहाँ पे ज़रा और एक्स्ट्रा वाटर स्प्रे मार दो तो ऑल डस्ट विल कम आउट. इट इज़ टू टाइट राइट नाउ. मतलब कैलिपर इससे बाहर नहीं आ रहा है अभी, इसी जगह पे अटका हुआ है बिकॉज द ब्रेक लाइन इज़ वेरी शॉर्ट एंड ब्रेक लाइन का बोल्ट जो पकड़ा हुआ इज़ रस्टेड. सो आई डोंट वांट टू रिमूव दैट राइट नाउ. इस ब्रेक पैड को भी हम जेंटली रब करके फ़िलहाल के लिए क्लीन कर देंगे. जैसे इसमें कुछ जान बची नहीं है, वी एक्चुअली नीड टू रिप्लेस इट, बट फ़िलहाल के लिए काम चल जाएगा. सिमिलर टू फ्रंट ब्रेक पैड, इसका भी सराउंडिंग डस्ट जहाँ पे भी है निकाल देंगे. आई नो ब्रेक पैड्स चेंज करने ही हैं तो क्यों इतना मेहनत करना, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर कि मेरा दोस्त कब चेंज करेगा ब्रेक पैड्स बिकॉज वो कब आएगा, तब तक कितने किलोमीटर गाड़ी सिटी में ऐसे यूज़ होगी वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट खोला है तो यू कैन जस्ट क्लीन इट. इस पिन को भी वील क्लीन इट कम्प्लीटली. विल रिमूव, ट्राई टू रिमूव ऑल दी डस्ट फ्रॉम टॉप. सो द पिन इज़ नाउ कम्प्लीटली क्लीन. But I need to first find some locks for this. उसके बाद हम इसको बिठाएंगे. So guys, a goof up happened 3 days ago from my hand. That pin, you guys remember, मैंने जो यहाँ से pin निकाली, the one that I removed from here, I lost that pin. I went upstairs to search these quarter pins. If you remember in the video I showed earlier that the pin does not have quarter pin. This quarter pins, the locks, the pin could have fallen off from the caliper anytime. So I went upstairs to search quarter pins, and then when I came down, my wife had taken this scooter, and I had kept this on the scooter. After that we can't find it. 2 days have passed. I can't find it in any of my toolkit anywhere. Probably it got left on the scooter, and when she went out it's dropped somewhere. So I went to the local market and I asked them for the a similar pin. I didn't get a very ditto same pin. This is what they gave me. It belongs to Yamaha or Hero Honda or someone. It was completely cylinder, one shape. So what I did was it was not going inside on the other end. Okay, this the back side of this caliper, the hole is quite small and this pin was not passing through it, so I took my grinder and I tapered it. So for now we are going to install this pin. It works perfectly fine. The pads glide on it, उस पर अच्छे से ग्लाइड हो जाते हैं. एंड तो अब इंस्टॉल करेंगे हम. लॉक पॉइंट्स भी इसके परफेक्टली मैच हो गए, वो भी मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि कितने अच्छे से मैच हो गए. एंड पैड्स ऑफ कोर्स माय फ्रेंड विल हैव टू चेंज इट. वी हैव टू डू अ ऑयल चेंज सून. मे बी इन कमिंग वीक्स विल डू अ ऑयल चेंज. दैट टाइम विल पिक अ सेट ऑफ new brake pads also and then install it on this bike that time. But for now I'm going to install the same brake pads that I cleaned the other day and complete this video for now. I already put the brake pads inside. पहले ही डाल दिए हैं. ये पिन सेंटर में डालेंगे ऐसे and then ये वाली पिन will pass from here throughout and it goes inside over here, sits perfectly in the notch at this side, okay, and it comes out perfectly from this side if you see. And we'll just add the quarter pins on both sides. Now there are chances that this pin might drop on this side, okay, it might fall off like this. So to hold it in place I have taken these two washers, okay, I have added these two washers and then we will add the quarter pin. So this way this quarter pin goes inside and you fold it. Once you fold it, the pin won't drop, this quarter pin won't drop, and it won't let this pin also now come out. Okay, so this is now kind of almost a perfect matching jugaad. We call this jugaad in India. तो ये भी आपका परफेक्ट बैठ गया. ओके, और आपको एक सेकंड क्वार्टर पिन अगर डालनी है तो आप इधर इस वाले सेकंड होल में भी डाल सकते हैं, विच आई विल ट्राई नाउ. आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ आई विल बी एबल टू फोल्ड बिकॉज वो काफ़ी अंदर है. आर लॉक्स मैंने यूज़ नहीं किए हैं बिकॉज आर लॉक्स लूज़ होके गिर जाते हैं एंड इफ़ दे गेट स्टक इन साइड दिस थिंग, द ब्रेक्स, इट विल बी इशू. So if you see now the calipers and the brake pads and everything is perfectly installed and the quarter pin has also been bent so that it doesn't come off. Now it was quite difficult to bend the quarter pin inside in this area, so I guess R-lock would have been better. The only reason the issue is with the R-lock is that with prolonged usage they become loose and if you don't forget to pinch them, अगर आप pinch नहीं करते हो उसको other end से तो next time lose होके गिर जाता है ही है. But anyways, now our work is done. I just put this bolts back in place, test the bike and let you know the feedback. This is actually a very tight place. None of your normal Allen keys go in there easily. So that is the reason why I have this Allen key set. It's made by Elkin, made in USA, and it's a metric one. And this has been really helpful for me for so many years now, like 4-5 years now. And the other end is angled, so if you want to work something at an angle somewhere, so this also is helpful. If the area is not straight, you can use like this also to tighten the bolts. Other toolkit that I use is this one, which I picked up from Amazon. I leave links to both in Amazon, and this one also has been very useful. But with the ratchet and all, it is not easy for with the socket to go inside easily over here. So that time this tool helps a lot. I spoke to my friend. So this has been happening from a long time. There is a play at this part over here, this part. So maybe I'll find a solution for that in a near future. Right now we're not going to look into that part. Next I'm going to quickly lube this lever. So there's a bolt here. We need to remove this bolt. I've already loosened the bolt and just remove the bolt and lube it, lube it and then put it back. This is almost dry, so I'll just clean it with the brake cleaner first, these two parts, and then lube it. Cleaning it with the brake cleaner so that we can remove all the grin and additional old grease and all from here. It's coming out like paper. Cleaning is almost done, so I'll now use some wet lube as well as some grease to fill it up, and we'll put it back. I've on purpose put wet lube so that the lever starts operating perfectly as soon as we install it. Putting some here. I'm sorry I don't use gloves and all, so please don't find it odd. और ये गया पीछे से अपना washer, and make sure everything is fully tightened. You can clean off the excess lube and use it somewhere else. So guys, I just took a test ride of the bike also, and everything is perfectly fine now. Brakes are much more effective, bike stops much more faster. Front brake was done that day, rear brake was done today. So I'll end the vlog here. If you liked it, if you liked all the tips and tricks, please hit the like button. Do share the video with your friends and riding groups and all. And if you're new on my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda.